Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we're here in Avon, New York, and the house behind me, we saw the last video on set day. Now, it's been a bit, and coming out to visit the owner, and thought we'd do a progress update video here for you guys. So you can see this house, if you remember, this house is 5 modules for this house. 2 upstairs, 2 downstairs, and then this tag box on the side here. Man, this turned out fantastic. Not the pile of dirt, the house. But I love the design here. I love the dark siding and the black metal roof, and that wood door looks fantastic. Let's take a look. So this is awesome. This house is awesome. I'm so excited to see this thing. It's not, like, what's the full square footage of the house? It's not huge, right?
I want to say, let's see. So this was 1,000. This was like 250.
Yep.
I think the upstairs was like another 700.
So I actually, it's pretty big.
Well, the upstairs added a ton of space. Like, it's very roomy.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this wallpaper?
Yeah, that's wallpaper.
This is awesome. Did you put this in? Or somebody put this in? You did a great job. Is this is this like wallpaper, or is this? Okay. How did it go in for you? I have varying success with them personally.
Well, it's up. Like, it rolled out.
Look at
like
this vanity. Oh
it's
my
really
gosh.
easy to install.
This is awesome.
Just not.
I'm gonna just keep saying that over and over again. I'm sorry. This is just.
Pattern is very forgiving. I will go with that.
Okay. I've chosen some that's like, man, it's a nightmare to try to line them up.
Like, it's not lined
this
up
is
at all,
really cool.
Busy enough that you can't tell.
This is really cool. I love this with the color on the walls and everything. Man, is this concrete? The sink?
Yes. That's some stuff.
What height ceiling do we do here?
In here,
it feels like it's forever.
10. I didn't realize they were doing 10 in here.
This is so high.
And I think they just were like, what the heck? We'll just leave it high.
It probably was just as easy, quite honestly. So this is really nice.
So yeah, it's very, very tall in here.
Wow. Okay, so stackable. Okay.
And then this will end up being like a.
You do like
closet.
cubbies or what?
It'll be a closet.
Oh, closet. Okay.
Something like a armory closet.
Oh, okay. Yes. Not built in. Got it. Okay, I'm with you. Okay. Wow. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. It feels as good as it did when we walked through it in the factory to me. Like, you just never really know for sure. Is it going to feel just as open? And it does. It feels fantastic. Cool. Are you putting the cabinets in?
Yeah, so I put the cabinets in.
You do it all, don't you? You can do anything. What's going in here? Microwave here?
Microwave.
Okay. Trash pull out over here, right? This is a nice sink.
Big sink.
This is so awesome. I love the front door. I love the color on it.
Everybody comments about the door.
It's really, really nice. Look at this floor. Holy cow.
Yeah, the floor looks really good.
Okay, I'm acting like this is my house. I'm just so excited. This is so nice. Okay, so what was the space?
This is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom. Okay, I for some reason was thinking it was upstairs, but you're right. Yeah. Okay, this is great tile. I love this pattern.
Yeah.
This feels really good.
Yeah, so he's just set some of this stuff yesterday, so we're still kind of clearing.
Great color on these walls. I really, really like that a lot.
That is the same as the cabinets. So
Is it actually the same exact color? You just color matched it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's great. And then this is all gonna be glass, right?
That'll all be glass.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so is this the same flooring as what's gonna be downstairs, or no?
This is
different.
This is the LVT from whatever you guys have.
Right. Yep. And then downstairs was
Engineered hardwood.
engineered hardwood. Okay. You doing a similar color? You're gonna be
Similar color.
Okay.
Yeah.
This feels really nice up here.
So this is the office.
Okay.
We're all like playing by ear around here.
Okay. I mean, that's kind of what you said when we were doing this.
We're gonna do things.
That's kind of what you said when we were doing this. Is it was, not in a mad rush to finish things up or anything like that. Hello.
How are you?
This is a cool house, isn't it?
It is.
It's very class.
I'm babysitting the bathtub, so.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Somebody's got to do it,
We're doing a pressure test.
Okay.
Just to make sure the plumbing's all good before we
Okay.
finish. Yeah. Linen closet.
Oh, sure. That's exciting.
This is spare room.
Spare room, yep. You did a great job on this design. Really, really great job.
That closet is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's, I mean, this could be your spare room.
No,
This is huge.
It's like we're gonna have like I don't know.
Wow. So that wraps up our walkthrough of this very custom Cape home. That's 5 modules. As you heard from the owner, it turns out to be all in. It's close to 1,900 square feet. It's actually quite a bit of house. It's deceivingly large, actually, on the inside. And it's turning out fantastic. I don't know how many times I said that in this video, but I'm so excited for the owner on this house and to see how the house is coming together, being able to be close to family and to build a brand new custom home exactly as they want it. So excited. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, reach out about your building project.